What's good, YouTube? No,
No, start it over.
all right.
Start it over, delete it.
I'm coming to y'all with a new banger. You know, today is gonna be a good one just because we finally finna get some wheels for the car. I'm gonna just get a pair of two, and it's for the back. It's gonna be some welds. Which ones I'm not gonna tell y'all, but just know we gonna get some welds. And yeah, man, y'all gonna see it. I started this video a little late, but we are around the block already. We're like 4 minutes away, so yeah, man, the RT's finally gonna get some wheels, man. It was a long overdue thing, you know, but I'll see y'all there. All right, y'all, we made it. As y'all can see where we at. Yes, sir. He told me to park under this tank, so we're gonna see what he tells us. All right, so we enter in the store. Sheesh. Yeah, I originally wanted those right there. Those are the ones I wanted, but that's just the price on that. That's outrageous. Ooh, I want these for the front. But some other time. Yeah, I was telling y'all, I wanted these originally. Those are hard. Damn, they got these with the Louis Vuitton. That's hard up there, that's hard. Oh, are these it? The Nitos?
Yeah. There are twos for street and racing.
We're gonna see.
It's the V-Log rating.
See.
Stickers. And the actual wheel.
Oh, that's clean. Yeesh. That's fire. Then the Nitos. Won't be counting the money. We gotta pay the man. No money stack. Shot the C. Sam. Alright, so we're sitting here waiting for the guy to finish. I was telling my girl that those Ferradas were the first wheels I wanted before I got into like this racing stuff. I wanted all four, but I don't know. I was never able to get them. I don't know, I might get them for the front, who knows? Or if not, I might run some skinnies in the front. I don't know yet, but still want some of those. Not those. Those are Ferradas too, but I want them in gloss. I don't want a matte or like a stained color. All right, so we came to see the car because we got bored inside. We're gonna see what they doing. Y'all can see they got the car jacked up. See what it look like here. It's tough. But I either need to take off the wrap already or change it. I don't know, but look. As y'all can see, bruh, they did not do a good job whatsoever. Look, this side too. It's crazy. They didn't do a good job whatsoever. Let me know what shop I should go to or what wrap person I should go to get this either redone or some, you know, but it's not looking good. No good, no bueno. I'll never do this to my tires. Never. I don't know why people do this. Look, it comes off too. Yeah, nah. I would never do that. Y'all can see them right there. They're looking fire. Got the other one right there. Look clean. Bro, there's a hurricane in the middle of LA. Nah, I'm just playing. Grasshopper. There you go. You gonna test it for you gonna test it. You gonna go take it for a quick test drive. You can see the little tire back there, boy. Stop playing. He gonna take it for a little test drive. He gonna see if everything cool or whatever. But I'll show y'all once he gets back how the wheels look. Oh my god, you can see them from here. I ain't gonna show y'all a lot though. But yeah, they look clean. We just need the fronts now, bro. We just need the fronts now. Oh yeah, they're looking fire. God, that's just loud. You better give me some gas money because I just pumped gas. Alright y'all, so we done. I'm gonna show y'all the wheels right now. But make sure y'all come shop at this League Motorsports. They very cool people. Especially the dude that owns this. He's cool. He owns a C7. That shit go hard. But yeah, make sure y'all come shop here for some whales if you in LA, bruh. If you in LA, check them out. Look right there. That go hard. Yeah, man. Here you go. The whales with the needles on there too. Sheesh. That goes hard. We're gonna see if we don't if we get any traction right now. But right now we are gonna go get some Chick-fil-A because we hungry. Alright y'all, we made it to Chick-fil-A. Look at that. Oh my god, looking clean as hell. We at the USC. At the USC Chick-fil-A. Y'all know where this is at. If you live in LA, you know. Oh, that's Chipotle. Chick-fil-A is a little bit down there. Oh yeah, we got our food. Let me know what y'all order, bro, because I always order either spicy chicken sandwich with a lemonade or like a 8-piece with a lemonade. But that's about it. Always lemonade, never nothing else. Now if I do get something else, it's a Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper go gas. Don't get on me, but it's gas, bro. But yeah, man, let me know down in the comments what y'all order, bro, because Chick-fil-A pretty fire. Alright y'all, as y'all can see, good eats out here. Oh damn. Oh yeah, extra fries in here. Cheers. Good eats. She already fucking that shit up, look. Nah, but good eats. You can see the slow RT right there. Tell me that shit on the gas right there. Sheesh. I can't get over it, bro. Alright, I'm gonna be giving y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some pulls right now. Sorry, it's all zoomed in. I'm gonna give y'all some pulls right now, so I'm gonna set this shit up. Shabamskies. We're gonna get a little bit hot in here. I'm sorry. But look at all the bike dudes. Alright, then when they get hit, they're gonna sell that bike. Difference, but for sure. Nah, but it was pulling. That shit was clean. Oh yeah, man, this was long overdue. These wheels were long overdue. Wheels and tires. Should have done this a long time ago, but I mean I got some Lagunas with some oozers on them, but that setup was bad because the wheel was like all wobbly, so I just ended up selling them, got my money back, and been sitting on the stock wheels for like probably like a year or two. Now I decided to buy some more. That was scary, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so we made it home. Sorry for the quality, it's like getting dark or whatever, but I made it home. You could hear that ticking noise, so you know we was pulling. But yeah, man, it feels very smooth, bruh. It looked very nice, as you can see. That goes hard. But yeah, like I said, long overdue. We finally got them. Now we're just missing the fronts. Yes, I know, don't clown on me because I got stock fronts and welds on the back, you know. But we're gonna change these either to some 5-spoke OEM Hellcat wheels, or I don't know, something else. Probably those Ferradas that I showed y'all, but I don't know yet. But yeah, man, we got the Nitos with the B-Locks, Lagunas, gas. Okay, that's a better little view, I guess. Yeah, they clean, man. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on that post notification, all that good stuff, for y'all can get notified when I post again. We almost to 1,000, bro. 1,000 subscribers. I mean, it might not be that much, but to me, it's like very huge, you know, because when I started this YouTube thing, I didn't think I was gonna get to like not even like 100 subscribers, you know. But like now we at 940, almost to 1,000, but let's hit that 1,000 mark. So make sure y'all subscribe and turn on that post notification, like I said. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuce.